Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Car Stories. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the most iconic full-sized cars of its era. This car, 1959 Chevrolet Bel Air. With its striking design, impressive performance for the time, and rich cultural history, the 59 Bel Air stands as a bold statement of post-war American optimism. Let's take a journey into its story. The 1959 Bel Air wasn't just another model in the Chevrolet lineup. It marked a distinct shift in styling and engineering. It was introduced during a time when American automakers were caught in a creative whirlwind, each trying to outdo the other with futuristic styling and technological innovations. And in 1959, Chevrolet turned quite a few heads. The most unforgettable part of the 1959 Bel Air is, without a doubt, its design. With sweeping lines, bold tail fins that stretched like wings, and that wide, flat rear deck, it looked like nothing else on the road. The dual cat-eye tail lights added a unique flair, while the bat-wing rear fenders gave the car a personality all its own. This wasn't just designed for the sake of looks. It was a statement. Built on GM's new B-body platform, the 1959 Bel Air was longer, lower, and wider than its predecessor. Chevrolet extended the wheelbase to 119 inches, giving it a more commanding presence. The body's lower stance helped improve handling and ride comfort, while also aligning with the era's fascination with aircraft-inspired designs. Under the hood, the Bel Air offered a range of engines, allowing buyers to tailor performance to their preference. From the standard 235 cubic inch inline-six to a range of V8 options, including the potent 348 cubic inch big block, the car had enough muscle to satisfy both the casual cruiser and the power-hungry enthusiast. It wasn't just about looking good, it could move too. Transmission options also reflected the versatility of the Bel Air. Buyers could choose from a 3-speed manual, a 2-speed Powerglide automatic, or the more advanced 3-speed Turboglide. These choices made the car accessible to a wide range of drivers, whether they prioritize performance, convenience, or economy. Inside the cabin, the Bel Air was spacious and surprisingly refined. The dashboard layout was clean and modern for its time, with a symmetrical design and easy-to-read gauges. Two-tone upholstery options, chrome accents, and stylish steering wheels all gave the driver and passengers a feeling of luxury without stretching the budget. What made the 1959 Bel Air particularly special was its position in the Chevrolet lineup. It sat above the Biscayne in terms of trim and features, but was just below the Impala, which had become its own model that year. This gave the Bel Air a sweet spot in the market, offering both style and value. For many families in the late 1950s and early 1960s, the Bel Air was a symbol of the American dream. It was affordable, reliable, and stylish. It offered something that many Americans wanted at the time, a way to enjoy the open road with comfort, pride, and a bit of flash. It wasn't a car just for showrooms. It was built to be driven. By the late 50s, car culture in the United States was in full swing. Drive-in theaters, cruising on Friday nights, and family road trips were all part of everyday life. And cars like the Bel Air made those moments memorable. It's not just the car we remember, it's the stories we created with it. The advertising for the 1959 Bel Air highlighted its futuristic looks and performance. Slogans like "the car that's shaped to the space age" and "the bold new shape of motion" reflected the forward-looking spirit of the age. Chevrolet was tapping into a national mood of innovation and confidence. One notable change in 1959 was the move toward more safety features. While still minimal by today's standards, the Bel Air did offer stronger bodies, safety door latches, and optional seat belts. The wide design also contributed to a more stable ride, making it a solid choice for families. The Bel Air also had a wide range of body styles, including sedans, hardtops, station wagons, and convertibles. This versatility meant that it could suit just about any lifestyle, whether you were a growing family, a weekend road tripper, or someone who just loved the thrill of a stylish ride. Collectors today still hold the 1959 Bel Air in high regard. Though it was once seen as overshadowed by the more flamboyant Impala, time has been kind to the Bel Air. Enthusiasts now appreciate its clean lines, balanced design, and understated elegance, especially when compared to some of the more aggressively styled competitors. Finding a well-preserved 1959 Bel Air today isn't always easy, but when you do, you're looking at a car that tells a story, not just about Chevrolet, but about America itself. It's a snapshot of a time when design was bold and dreams were even bigger. Restored models command attention at classic car shows and auctions across the country. Driving this car 1959 Chevrolet Bel Air United States today is like stepping into a time capsule. The engine's rumble, the feel of the steering wheel, and the simple joy of rolling down the road in a car built with soul. It reminds us of how far we've come and how much we appreciate where we started. As we close this chapter of old car stories, we salute the Chevrolet Bel Air of 1959, not just as a car, but as a cultural icon. It carried people to work, to weddings, to first dates, and to family vacations. Its design may have been born from the space age, but its legacy is rooted firmly in our hearts. If you enjoyed this journey through time, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your own memories of the Bel Air in the comments. Whether you owned one, rode in one, or just admired it from afar, every story matters. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the stories alive.